artists! Do you like computers and phones? Today we are going to draw a laptop and an iPhone together.
Yay!
Are you ready?
Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub.
First, draw a big rectangle. Now, draw another rectangle inside the first one. This is the laptop screen. Next, draw a rectangle at the bottom for the keyboard area. Let's add some extra lines to make it look 3D. Now, draw small rectangles for the keys. Great job! On one side, draw a mouse with a small wire. Now, draw the Apple logo on the laptop screen. Now, let's draw the iPhone. First, draw a tall rectangle.
La da 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 dee.
Inside it, draw two more rectangles. On the top rectangle, draw three circle-shaped cameras. Add a few tiny circles for the flash and sensors. In the bottom rectangle, draw the Apple logo. Wow, look at that! Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp to make the artwork pop. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Show your color pens. We will use rainbow colors. Red color.
Wow!
Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. Pink color. Silver color.
La da 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 dee.
Great job, little artists! If you enjoyed drawing with us, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub. See you in the next fun drawing video. Bye-bye!
Hey, little artists! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we are going to draw and color something super cool, the Samsung S25 Ultra smartphone. Grab your markers, and let's get started. First, let's start with a black marker. Draw a big rectangle. This will be the body of our phone. Now, let's make it look 3D. Add some extra lines on one side to give it depth. Next, let's draw a touch pen beside the phone. It's a long, thin rectangle with a little tip at the end. Let's move on to the cameras. On the top left corner of the phone, draw a few small rectangles. Inside each rectangle, draw a circle to make the camera lenses. Add more small circles and shapes around them for extra detail. At the bottom of the phone, let's write the word Samsung in bold letters. Great work so far! Nice job, everyone! Now, let's go over the entire drawing with our black marker to make it bold and sharp. This will make our artwork pop. Fantastic job, everyone!
Yay!
It's time to color our phone. Show your color pens and let's make it vibrant with rainbow colors. Blue color.
Wow!
Golden color. Red color. Purple color. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color.
La da 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 dee.
Purple color. Your Samsung S25 Ultra looks amazing and colorful. Thanks for drawing and coloring with us at Toddlers Art Hub.
Hey, little artists! Today we're gonna draw something super fun and super cute. A cute laptop! First, take your black marker and draw a nice rectangle in the middle of your page. This will be the laptop's display screen. Now, around the first rectangle, draw another bigger rectangle. This makes the cute laptop frame. Now, draw another big rectangle under the frame. This will be our keyboard area. Perfect. Now let's add the keyboard keys. You can draw small rectangles or little squares inside the keyboard area.
La da 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 dee.
Nice and easy. In the middle bottom area, draw one more rectangle for the touchpad. Now let's make our laptop super cute. On the display, draw 2 big round eyes and a small smiling mouth. Oh, look at that cute, happy laptop. Now take your black marker again. Let's make all the outlines bold and sharp so our artwork really pops. Looking awesome, isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's coloring time. Here are all the colors we will use. Rainbow colors. Show the color pens. Red color.
Wow! La 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 la.
Orange color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Purple color. And pink color. Great job, everyone! Our cute laptop drawing is complete. You all did amazing! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us again for more easy and fun drawings. Hi, friends! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're going to draw something super cool that we use every day, a smartphone.
Yay!
First, let's draw a big rectangle. This will be the body of our phone. Now, inside that rectangle, draw another smaller rectangle. This will be the screen. Great job! At the top of the screen, draw a small oval shape for the speaker area. And at the bottom, draw a small circle. That's our home button. Now, make our phone look 3D. Nice job, everyone! Our drawing is complete. Now, let's make the outline bold and sharp to make our artwork pop. isn't it?
Yay!
Now it's time to color. Let's grab our markers and color together. Say the colors out loud with me. Purple color.
Wow!
Pink color.
La 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 la. Beep 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 beep.
Yellow color. Blue color. Wow, that looks amazing! Great job, everyone. You did an awesome job drawing and coloring a smartphone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun and easy drawings. Bye-bye!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.